Okay, maximum number of real zeros, maximum of x-intercepts, maximum number of turning points. Okay, now then, this is an x cubed graph. Again, apologies for where the exponent is. This is an x fourth graph, and this is a negative x squared graph, okay? So, x cubed graph, I know they look something like that. In other words, if you were to put the x-axis on here, they would have 1, 2, 3, maximum of real zeros would be 3. And again, the main thing is because it's an x cubed, okay? So that's maximum number of x-intercepts is also 3. It's just different terminology. Zeros, x-intercepts, okay? So that's 3 because it's x cubed. Now can you see the turning points? Well, these are the turning points. 1, 2. So if I do this, watch this, nice and big. There's an x cubed. Again, if I do that, it's got 1, 2, 3. But look, 1, 2 turning points. So the maximum of turning points is always 1 less than the actual exponent, or the maximum number of real zeros, okay? So this has 3 real zeros, so therefore 3, or maximum number, I mean it could have less, I'll show you why. 3 x-intercepts and 2 turning points. Now the reason, if I draw, now watch this, if I draw another x cubed, now supposing that was the x, well, can you see that there's only 1. Okay, there's only 1 x-intercept, 1 real zero. Remember, you can have imaginary ones, think about i's, but this is talking about the maximum number they can have. So it would be 3, okay? So an x fourth, can you see it's going to have 4 real zeros, possibly, maximum. Therefore 4 possible x-intercepts, and therefore 3 turning points, because a lot of x fourths tend to look like this. So I'll kind of just... Again, remember, it's a positive x to the fourth, so it rises to the left and rises to the right. If the x-axis was there, I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, and look, 1, 2, 3 turning points. Okay, so that is maximum number of real zeros or x-intercepts, and also maximum of turning points. Again, always remember you can have some imaginary ones. It doesn't always have to be that. I mean, look at this. Here we go. Look, here we go. Here's an x to the fourth with the x-axis down there. There we go. Look, no x-intercepts. Anyway, think about it later.